On average, a single person uses 149 litres of water per day, 12% on showering and 13% on laundry. This usage dramatically increases with students who spend nearly an hour and a half in the shower per week. We surveyed students and found that doing laundry can be a difficult task while at university, with laundrettes often being overcrowded, too expensive and full of broken machines.
Which is why we've designed the Aqua X. An award-winning portable washing machine for students that uses filtered shower water to wash clothes. The device includes a removable water tank, which can be placed on the shower floor like a mat. Once the tank is returned to the base, the water is filtered and used in the laundry process.
If every student in London were to use the Aqua X, we could save over 1.7 billion litres of water a year.